Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your YouTube channel link or any link in any channel. Let's say for example now I wanted to share my channel link. You need to go to YouTube and log in your channel, and then just click here in this icon and then click your channel. Okay, this is the link. Just I copy and then I paste it anywhere where I wanted to share it. But as you can see, the link, it's look long and ugly. That's why it's better to shorter the link. You can go to bit.ly, for example, or any other website. But let me say bit.ly, then click here, create, and then paste your link here. And then just give a title, for example, short link for free channel, and then I click save. Okay, here is the link now. Just I copy and I paste it. This is what you need to do. If you feel this is video sorry, if you feel that this is the video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.